Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the More Analytics Afternoon S&P 500 and Gold podcast for August 7th going into the 10th. We're going to start off with the S&P 500 index. Okay, we've been bullish overall from 3502. We rallied 4,318.25 into the bull trend. A lot of other bullish calls in here. I won't get into all the medium time frame ones, but on a shorter term basis, trade above 74.61.75. I said projected this upward at 120 points plus. We've attained 358.5, and then added additional levels to be long above at 75.06, 75.57.75, 76.06.50. Those are these different levels on the way up. Decent trade above 78.08.21 plus 62 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Sunday is going to warn of decent strength. The maintain gap lower will put bullishness on hold for the time being. A decent trade below 67.49.25 plus 88 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. will warn of decent pressure. And in the gold, we left yet another gap open higher after a not unexpected consolidation here. I'm not going to go over all the higher time frame stuff in here. We held macro exhaustion with a 39.55.40 low, and we have bounced to 44.32.30. I warned that if this is a bona fide bullish correction, the minimum target is 49.36.60, and we have closed about half the distance from this low to there so far. This line that we held here could be a substantial line, but we want to see it pull back from this line more before initiating along above it, so we'll have to see if this rolls over from this a bit. Decent trade above this steep line will warn a decent strength. That's going to come in at 44.37 plus 21 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This line is going to come in at 44.24.80 minus 3.6 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. A maintain gap lower will leave a minor bearish reversal above. That'll be more effective if/when we take out 43.34.70 in the process. I also noted that in the D's we held exhaustion with the 40.19 low and bounced, and the trade above 41.19.20 also brought in strength. And on the 4th, I said we left a minor bullish reversal below. And then I said the break above 41.38.90 projects this upward 80 minimum. This will be 355 max. And we have attained, bear with me a moment. From the 41, we have attained 293.4 of the 355 plus max. I didn't write it down on here, but I noted the other day in the post-market podcast that on the 5th of August, we left a substantial bullish reversal below that warrants a higher trade for days/weeks. So from the open at 42.65.30, we rallied up to 44.32.30. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next podcast.